If you're going to sharpen a 3 blade, there's one detail that can make the difference between a well-balanced blade and one that ends up causing your trimmer to vibrate. Maintenance is extremely important. You need to constantly check that it's sharp, that all the tips are even, so that the trimmer does its job with less effort, meaning it also uses less fuel and at the same time keeps the balance of the attachment. One tip when you go to sharpen a blade, something I figured out on my own because honestly I had never heard anything like it before or read about it either, is to identify which tip is the most worn down. Then you start working on that one first, so it gives you a reference for how many strokes of the file you need to make, and then apply that same amount of wear to all the other tips. That way you maintain the balance of the attachment. Once you identify which tip is the most worn, install it on the screw. It's also always recommended to use gloves. It's very easy to hurt yourself with this type of accessory or tool. And start running the file in one direction only. The recommendation is also either downward or upward, and those are the strokes you should count. Once you get the desired result, make the same pass across all the cutting edges of each of your tips. To install the blade, you'll use two accessories that should have come with your edger. This wrench, as well as this metal rod. With this metal rod, what we're going to do is lock the shaft so that it allows us to tighten the nut. First, we install the blade. Then this toothed piece goes on. On top of that goes this guard, and finally the nut. On different brands of brush cutters, where the shaft locks can vary, it can be from the bottom or from the side. In this case, using the stale edger, it's done from the bottom and we lock it in place. With a little pressure, not too much, and now the blade is installed.